In this guide, I'll walk you through how to download Minecraft on a Mac. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. This method works on any Mac device, whether you're using an iMac or a MacBook. Minecraft is a popular sandbox game where everything is built from blocks. You can play solo in single-player mode or join friends in multiplayer. To get started, open your preferred web browser. I'll be using Safari, but any browser will work. Search for Minecraft and make sure you visit the official website at minecraft.net. Once you're on the site, keep in mind that Minecraft is a paid game. If you don't already own it, you'll need to purchase it. If you do own it, you can skip ahead to the download step. Click the Buy Now button in the top right corner, then select Minecraft and choose the platform, PC, Mac, or Linux. You'll also have the option to choose between the standard or deluxe edition. Just pick the one you prefer. After completing your purchase, you'll be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account, since Minecraft is now managed by Microsoft. Once your purchase is complete and linked to your account, scroll down to the bottom of the page, go to the Support section, and click on Download. From there, select the macOS version. After the file downloads, open it from your Downloads folder. You'll see a DMG file, double-click it, then drag the Minecraft icon into your Applications folder. Next, open your Applications folder, search for Minecraft, and launch it. Click Open. If prompted, the launcher will begin downloading the necessary update files. When prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, click Let's Go. The launcher will load with the latest version selected. Simply click Play and wait for the game to finish downloading. After the installation is complete, Minecraft will open automatically and you'll see the main menu. From here, you can select Single Player to start a new game, or create a new world by choosing your preferred game mode, such as Survival or Creative. And that's it, you're ready to start playing Minecraft on your Mac. If this guide helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.